this video, subscribe and leave a like. Cause look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I only have 190 subscribers. I mean to say subscribers. This video I just posted, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this goes viral. And jeez, I hate this so much. Just stay tuned. So this today we'll join in and build to battle. Well, I'm not gonna even battle. I'm gonna practice my skills to make the SCP foundation. You know what I mean? So I don't know how good am I. No. I told you I'm good at fighting. Mostly I play this game so much, I fight really good, and you don't want to. Ow! Okay, I killed him. Okay, I'm not here to fight. I'm here to build. These people are trying to kill me for no reason. What did I do to you guys? So stay tuned. Hey, what did I do? I killed you because you're trying to. Okay, we stop building until I get revenge. Revenge go successfully. No, it doesn't. Can I just at least build? I'm not trying to fight you over here. I'm trying to make a video. Jeez, these people are insane these days. What did I do to you guys? I kill you, but what? Ow! What did I? Revenge. I don't want to do revenge. Guys, stay away from me. Stay away from me. I'm trying to build. I'm trying to build. What did I do to you? Come on. Wanna build? Wanna fight? Do you wanna fight? Wanna fight, dude? Yes! Revenge. Finally. Let me build in peace now. So I'm gonna do the floor because I'm not building the floor because it's gonna take mostly a long time. And this is much better. So I need to look. I don't know what kind of color is the Kia store. Oh yeah, he's my friend. Wait, loser. Yo, what's up, dude? What's up, dude? He's my friend. Mostly I'm not gonna play with him that much though. He's gonna cover me. Well, I'm gonna show you. So this is gonna look what it looks like, but I'm gonna build the bottom part and other thing, and this goes keep jumping around. Okay, let's go into it. Are you sure you're gonna kill me? Or you're not gonna? Fine, I trust you. I trust you. Ow, okay, I can't do it. Oh, okay, you guys are enemies now. I'm sorry for disconnecting your relationship of your besties or funsies. I don't know. I don't even care. So I'm gonna do the bottom part like this. Now she's chasing the person with a knife. So my goal is to do this, and it's gonna be a long time. So good news is I'm done with this. Bad news, bro. Just imagine I'm doing this all because for nothing, just for a stupid game called Minecraft. And I'm gonna build this I'm only making my life harder. So I end up being killed by him. So because he got Robux. I hate Robux people. Wait, I have Robux. I hate myself. So like someone is trying to kill me. Stay away from 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 me. Stay. I say stay away from me. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm struggling so bad. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Come on, tase me. Tase me. Come on. Yeah. Yes, I killed him. But he killed me. I hate to stay. I hate to stay. Okay. Can I just build in peace? All I just want to do is just build in peace, and you guys are ruining it for everybody. Okay. So I'm done with the yellow pot. You know what I said? I'm done with the yellow pot. The yellow pot. I gotta do with the blue pot, and I gotta do all over again. I'm making my life so hard right now. I don't know why do I agree with this. And the thing I'm most worried about, the logo. Yeah, I'm making my life harder. Okay, I'm done with the logo, and yeah, okay. But there's much ways to go. I didn't even make those hoes. I don't know who made those hoes. I can't even place down blocks, so never mind. There you go and connect it. Okay, so it's gonna be a lot harder than I thought. So I'm like building, yeah, and bruh. He's legit copying me. I'm kind of happy because I'm not happy because he's copying me. Look. Oh my God, so beautiful. Oh my God, so beautiful. But there's two Kias. Need to make one. Need to make more windows. Window. So yeah, I'm struggling. I'm not gonna add a roof because when you go inside, oh look, it's morning, and then you turn night. Excuse me, the door. Ah! Like what I mean. But now I don't like it, so I'm gonna turn it moving. Yeah, I don't like it because it's copying me. So I'm gonna do this. The floor. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, buckle some more. 4, 5, 6, Nike. What should I say? Yeah, I think you know what I said. Kia kicks. Oh, that's so fire. 1, 2, Nike comes for you. 3, 4, Nike shoes. I love sing this song. Well, you put that in, but I'm putting for everybody. So people can just come in and I can just, excuse me, the door is closed. Kill them. Add a furniture in. It's okay, because I can say, Bibbidi bobbidi boo. I see you. I don't think that should work, and I think I have magic powers. So this is like a bed section. You can just sleepless, and this is yo, that's kind of sus, though. That's kind of sus. That's sus, more sus than you. Yeah. Mostly, I'm kind of. So I'm making the cafeteria right here from the game. You know what I mean? I think you know what I mean. So, right now I'm struggling. Just struggling. Oh, no, I just heard something. Explosion. No one knows. So, mostly me and my friends play Kia, the game SCP-3008. I'm on to you. Okay, yeah. SCP-3008, and I'm making the Die. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. No thanks. Excuse me. Where's your mom? Teehee. So, mostly they have like things like this. Should I make the bathroom? Like the game SCP the SCP Foundation is not just fake. The SCP Foundation is actually real. Not gonna lie, it's a real job. That's why I'm struggling doing this. Okay, I'm so annoying. I think I'm so annoying. Well, that's it for today. I think my skill is kind of good. Leave a like, subscribe, and let's go kill this guy. Yeah.